The Viral Image Wizard allows you to create viral images and share them on top social media sites in just a few clicks. It generates both social media traffic and high authority backlinks, and dependent on the version that you work with, it will post and manage unlimited WordPress accounts, unlimited Facebook, Tumblr, and Pinterest accounts. You have a number of scripts that you can work with. You can create animated GIFs by working with a visual animation timeline. You can also create animations from video, import a video and create animated GIFs from that. You can also extract images from the video. You can create sketches from any images that you like. You can add watermarks to your images. And again, guys, this works by processing single images and also batch processing images, saving you loads of time. And it also has our own unique twists inside of the software, such as being or having the ability to work with spin syntax. You can also create black and white images, merge your images, and you can even create memes. You have an option to work with templates as well. Now with the templates, you've got a wide range of templates that you can work with that come built with the software, that come with the software, and you can add your own templates in here as well. You can choose from 2-layer templates, single layer templates, and you also get a number of other things that come with this as well. Okay, so you also got a batch meme processor here as well, guys, so you can really process your memes real fast, and at the same time you can even create animated memes. So what I'm going to do, I'm sure you're dying to see some of these features in action, so I'm going to, and obviously as you can see there's so many features in here that I might not be able to get everything packed into this one demonstration, so if I don't, then I do apologize. However, I'm going to try and speed up the clip so we can actually increase the amount of videos or the amount of footage that we can get into this video. So if you start seeing things speed up, guys, then it's because I'm demonstrating the video. So I'm going to create a banner before we move on to any other area. So as you can see, we've got some awesome control. It's very simple to work with. We've got layer control here as well. We can move the layers up and down. As you can see, very simple to move the layers up and down as well, and very simple to work with. You can also rotate as well. So if you wanted to rotate on here, it's very simple to rotate your images around or even your text around if you need to rotate that. But we've got so much more to get through that I'm going to push on forward. So I do apologize if you feel that I'm rushing the video quite a bit. I'm going to go over to the templates editor, show you what we can do here. We can choose templates. We can choose between single templates, double templates as well. So I'll give you a quick example and show you how easy it is to work with this. What we'll do first is we'll actually clear this field here. We'll find a nice image. We'll actually search for an image on Flickr. Let's go for a quick search on Flickr. And here you go, and as you can see, that's a fairly cute baby there. I'm going to use this image here, and that's going to be sent over straight to my my working area here. And I'm going to choose a frame. So for example, I choose this frame. I'll unfreeze it first, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually increase the frame, the image here, the baby image. And I can use my keys as well, arrow keys, to make it larger. And as you can see, I'm very happy with that. I'm going to click on freeze. That's going to take the frame. That's going to push the frame towards the top of it. I can add my text here as well. For example, this is my baby. I can even add some shadow and you know whatnot here as well. There's more things that we can do here as well to make it even more virally. You can even add something like this saying, and enter that in there as well. And then we can save that straight over to ImageGuild, for example. Saving it over to ImageGuild will send it straight over to here. Let me bring this up and you can see this now. And as you can see, we've got the image just there. Fantastic. What we can do now is I'll actually give you a demonstration of the posting script if you like. The posting script, very simple. We'll actually go over to our ImageGuild album. From ImageGuild, we'll bring that into the editor. What I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly style this how I like it. I'll just put my baby post. you can actually use the HTML area here, guys, and enter your HTML in here as well. And the software also posts to your social media sites, and as a result, look, social media sites are not going to be appreciating CPA offers or affiliate offers. So what you can do is actually add a separator in here, and whatever you place between the hide text area, the software will only post to your WordPress blogs and strip them before they post to your social media sites. So as you can see, I'm going to remove the click-through link here. I'm just going to put down my baby post. I'll show you the number of methods that we can post. On this one, we'll just post the one time, for example, to Tumblr. And that's been successfully posted. And what we'll do, we'll also save this to the queue here. In the queue, we can actually see it there. Not to sound too confusing, guys, but to this WordPress account, to the queue that I've just made, that I've just queued this post to, it's actually linked to Facebook, Tumblr, and Pinterest. And when I go to clear this queue, every time I make a post to this WordPress account, it's going to make a post to WordPress. Then it's going to go and make a post to my social media accounts as well. So I'll show you this and show you exactly how quick and easy it is. So I'll click on Start Posting. We can publish now, schedule, or save as draft to WordPress. So this is posting to WordPress first, and then it'll move over to Tumblr. Okay, so now it's logging into Tumblr, and now it's posting to Tumblr. Now it's logging into Pinterest, and now it's posting to Pinterest. And then after this, it's going to do Facebook, and then I'll actually show you exactly what the links look like as well. So that's actually 4 posts in total, and it should complete any second now. There you go. Okay, so here's the post on Tumblr. As you can see, we've got our tags in there as well. If I click on this, that's going to go straight over to our blog, our WordPress blog that we actually made a post on, and at the same time it's going to do the same with Pinterest as well. If we click on our Pinterest link as well, guys, that's going to go over to our blog as well. And while that's opening, I'll actually go over to our Facebook account as well, and it'll do exactly the same on our Facebook account too. We'll click on this and that'll go over straight to our blog. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to push on forwards and show you some other methods as well. Looking at these memes here, guys, looking at this meme here, we'll actually come back to that in a moment. What I'll show you though is show you how to batch process memes. I've actually got some text here. Let me enter these towards the top here, enter some text towards the bottom here as well, and I'll activate this. Okay, so I've set everything up here. As you can see, I've got a folder here of images. I'm going to import them into here, cars 2, and click on Run Batch. You can actually add a background image if you want as well. I haven't. I've actually added a background fill. And as you can see, we've got a bunch of images here that have all turned into memes with our text on there, with our URL on there as well. And as you can see, the meme text has changed on every single one of them. And that's because of the way that I've set it up, and it works with spin syntax as well. We can get even more clever with this as well. We can actually go over to image modifier, for example, import these memes in here. I've actually got them imported in there. Add a border on this one as well. Click on convert. And as you can see, before we could even say abracadabra, we've actually got memes on here with double layer borders as well. Now, if we can come back to this meme over here, guys, if you can recall, we built this meme, I speeded up the video. Now, what I did, I actually saved each step of the image like this. I disabled these areas here, and I saved each step of it, and I saved them over here. So as you can see here, and I'm going to quickly show you how we can make a quick animation out of this as well. So I'm going to import this into the timeline. Now again, guys, you can use the timeline for building any type of animations. I'm just giving you this as an example, and I'm going to click on create animated GIF, and I'll actually go over to the folder where it's going to save to, video results, and here it is. And as you can see, we've got our banner being built up in front of us there as well. Now, there's many more things that you can do with this as well. You can edit these, you can clear them, you can add borders to them as well. There's so many more things that you can do. I'm going to go over to animated video. I'm going to show you a video here quickly. I've got a video of a young woman. She bangs into the door. Boof, there you go. She tries to go on the wrong side of the door. If you have a look at the time here, about 11 seconds worth of footage. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to import this into the software, go over to test, go over to video, and go over to automated glass fail door. But what I'll do, I'll actually delete these. I'll delete these two folders here so you can actually see the software generate new ones as well. Now I'm going to enter some settings in here, 0 to 11 seconds. I've got some settings entered in there as well. I'm going to click on extract and animate, and I'm going to show you exactly what this does. It's, as you can see, we've got the new folder open up there. The software is extracting the images from the video, and it's going to build up the animation as well. And here we go. It automatically deletes all the files once it's worked with them as well. So here we go. The lady's gone up to the door. She's waiting for it to open. Bang, she's hit it on the wrong side. And as you can see, she's walking out the door now. Fantastic. Now we can get even more cleverer with this as well. Let me just give you an example of this. I'm going to actually extract these images now. As you can see, we don't have any extracted folder inside of here. I'm going to extract these images, and we'll get a new folder in here. Here we go. Images extracted. As you can see, these are all the images that we need to work with. And what I'm going to do now is actually import these into the memes editor and show you how clever we can get. Now we'll go to batch processing memes. We'll write something like silly girl. And we won't have any bottom text. And we'll just have viral image wizards at the bottom there. Now these are, the size is 320 by 250. So we're going to need it a bit larger. So we'll say about 370 by 280. I don't know how that's going to work. Again, you can play around with it. And I'm going to click on Run Batch. Oh, we've got it on the wrong one, haven't we? Okay, what we need to do is go over to Viral Image Wizard, go over to Test, go over to Video, go over to Images Extracted, and then click on Run Batch. And again, guys, this is doing like 100 and something images, 113 images. So take a few seconds. And there you go. Now we've got a meme out of these images. What we're going to do now is go ahead to the animated video again, import these inside of here one more time, but this time the meme ones, video, images extracted, and this time meme. Click on OK, and this time I'm going to click on animate sequence, keeping the same settings towards the top there, and the software is going to create another video there, or animated GIF, with our settings intact as well. Okay, and oops, I'll open with Firefox. And as you can see, we've got an animated GIF meme here now. We've got a placeholder to add some more text below, which I could have done, but I didn't. And as you can see, it's very simple to work with this as well. And there's so much more that you can do with this as well. You can create black and white images. You can merge and montage. For example, let me give you an example of a black and white image. I'll add this car in here. I'll click on black and white, and that's been done. I can crop images as well. Just hold my mouse key and drag over the area that I want to crop. I can also modify images. I can resize images, compress them, add borders, convert them, rename them, add oil paintings to them. I can also harvest images. It runs with up to 50 threads, oh, more than 50 threads, sorry. And it will just enter the number of URLs that you want to go and get the images from, and it'll go and do it for you. There's so much more to this software, guys, that there's not enough time for me to actually show you in action, but you will get full tutorials on the back end, and I really hope to see you on the inside.